JVR Industries has grown from humble beginnings in the home of John Victor Radziwan into a powerhouse of partnerships with renowned national and international companies such as Lacovac, Bush, Cipramac, Promarx, and many others. Over our 50-plus year journey, we've not only distributed top-tier products, but also established a nationwide network of distributors. In 1998, we took our first step into product development with the JVR VAC 300 and VAC 400, which happens to be a precursor to our acclaimed VacSeries. Our dedication to quality and service has earned us the trust of esteemed clients like Kodak, NASA, Lincoln Electric, Tesla, the U.S. Department of Defense, meat labs at various universities across the U.S., and more. From supporting industry giants to empowering small businesses and consumers alike, JVR Industries continues to innovate and elevate standards across the board.
Our service department boasts extensive experience handling a wide range of equipment, from tray sealers to patty makers, brine injectors to chamber vacuum sealers and beyond.
We even specialize in refurbishing Bush vacuum pumps. A prime example of our expertise is a loyal customer who still proudly owns a Lacovac unit which continues to perform flawlessly even after 30 years of service.
We pride ourselves on delivering unparalleled customer support, a commitment we extend to our JVR VacSeries line. Our technical assistance is provided via direct, non-automated telephone service, and it's completely complimentary.
Additionally, we offer a growing library of support videos on YouTube for our VacSeries line. And when it comes to replacement parts, we ensure same-day diagnosis and shipping, so you can get back up and running without delay.
In 1998, the gateway units to our esteemed JVR VacSeries, the JVR VAC 300 and VAC 400 were launched, setting the stage for subsequent models. It's important to note that these earlier units, while remarkable in their time, should not be confused with our latest offerings, the VAC 310 and the VAC 410.
Partnering with a reputable Canadian vacuum packaging company allowed us to extend our reach. Through private labeling, we offered these units for resale under the umbrella of JVR Industries. This collaboration served as a precursor to the diverse range of more than 10 models that comprise our current JVR VacSeries lineup.
Fast forward to 2020, the year we introduced our renowned JVR VacSeries line. Our flagship unit, the JVR VAC 100, spearheaded this launch, embodying our commitment to delivering top-notch performance with an economical framework. Following closely behind, the JVR VAC 110 further fortified our product range, laying a solid foundation for subsequent models.
The overarching goal of the JVR VacSeries was clear: to provide commercial-grade chamber vacuum sealers and related equipment at an accessible price point.
Our mission was twofold: to minimize repair costs and maximize operational efficiency for our commercial clientele.
Each model within the VacSeries has undergone thorough refinement to achieve a premium proprietary design. Rigorous quality inspections and testing procedures ensure that every unit leaving our facility meets the highest standards.
Once in the hands of our customers, they benefit from seamless access to replacement parts online, comprehensive walkthrough videos for troubleshooting, and expert technical assistance at their fingertips. Our commitment to customer satisfaction is unmatched. With access to premium technical support at the cost of an economy line unit, we redefine the standard for customer service in our industry.
Experience the difference with JVR VacSeries, where quality meets affordability and customer support sets the bar higher.
In
2015, we began rebuilding Rollstock vacuum packaging equipment. With decades of experience working on vacuum sealers and pumps, we saw this was a natural progression to help further our goal of becoming the go-to company for vacuum packaging equipment and supplies.
After obtaining hands-on experience working on a variety of manufacturers' machines, including Multivac, Alma, Tiramat, VC999, and others, we ultimately decided that the Made in the USA line of Rollstock Inc. machinery was going to be our focus. 8 years after installing our first rebuilt Rollstock, we made the decision to open a second location to handle the increased demand.
Located 20 miles north of our headquarters. Our new location would solely be dedicated to rebuilding machines and manufacturing replacement parts and tooling.
Having the capability to manufacture in-house provides us a level of independence, making us less dependent on third-party machine shops. Every JVR certified rebuild is stripped down to the frame and rebuilt to standards that exceed our customers' expectations.
We recondition the frames and components deemed non-wearable.
By doing this, we can provide our customers with new machine reliability at a price they can afford. Our experienced technicians provide installation and training to ensure our customers are equipped with the knowledge that is needed for trouble-free operation. Every rebuilt machine is sold with a warranty, so our customers can feel confident with their purchase decision.
Since our establishment in 1972, our core commitment remains unchanged: to excel in customer service while offering an expansive array of top-tier vacuum packaging units and supplies. We are dedicated to staying at the forefront of innovation, continuously introducing new technologies to meet the ever-changing demands of our customers.